ID Cooling WF-12025 is a sleek classic black and white fan with a high static pressure blade design and a PWM function. It has a solid build frame and white blade made from ABS plastic material. For quiet operation, it also has rubber shock absorbers on all four corners. It has a big airflow of 74.5 cubic feet per meter and a speed from 700 to 1800 RPM. For its accessories, it has a Y splitter, a case, and a radiator screw. For a price of $6 each or 310 pesos, it's a bang for a buck versus other case fan in this price point. But the trade-off is how the parcel is been packed. It only comes with a plastic packaging and no more else. Luckily, all the fans survive. If you're interested, there is a link in the description. But if you're into something colorful, this might not be into your liking. For the specification, subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell to be up to date. And I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!